Okay, let's settle this once and for all. What's the real difference between SSDI and SSI? They both sound like alphabet soup. Both send you checks from Social Security. So, why does everyone get confused? Today, we're breaking it down side by side. Who qualifies, how much you get, and why one comes with Medicare and the other with Medicaid. Stick around. I've got some real life stories that'll make it click. SSDI versus SSI. What's really the difference? What they both do. Both SSDI and SSI are run by the Social Security Administration, but they serve totally different groups. Think of SSDI as you paid in, now you're cashing out. SSI, on the other hand, is you didn't pay in much or at all, but you still need help. SSDI equals work credits/insurance. SSI equals financial need/safety net. SSDI, the work-based benefit. Let's start with SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance. The key word is insurance. You've been paying into this your whole working life through those FICA taxes on your paycheck. To qualify, you need enough work credits, basically proof you've worked long enough recently, and a medical condition that keeps you from working for at least 12 months. Example 1, John's story. John's 48, worked as a mechanic for 20 years. He develops a serious back injury and can't lift or bend anymore. He has plenty of work credits, so he qualifies for SSDI. After a 5-month waiting period, he starts getting monthly benefits. 2 years later, he automatically gets Medicare, even though he's only 50. SSDI pays based on how much you earned while working. The more you made, the higher your check. Average benefit, around $1,537 a month in 2025. SSDI equals work history plus disability plus Medicare after 2 years. SSI, the need-based benefit. Now, let's talk about SSI, Supplemental Security Income. This one has nothing to do with how long you worked or how much you paid into Social Security. SSI is for people with low income and limited assets who are elderly, blind, or disabled. Here's Maria's story. Maria's 42 and has never had consistent full-time work because she's been caring for family and struggling with lupus. She doesn't have enough work credits for SSDI, but her income and savings are low, under the $2,000 limit, so she qualifies for SSI instead. Her benefit is around $943 a month, and she automatically gets Medicaid to help cover medical costs. SSI equals financial need plus disability/age plus Medicaid. Let's line them up. Category SSDI and SSI based on work history and FICA taxes, financial need, medical requirement, disability lasting 12 plus months, disability, blindness, or 65 plus. Average monthly benefit, $2,025. $1,537, $943, health coverage, Medicare after 24 months, Medicaid immediately, income/asset limits, none for SSDI itself. Strict limits, $2,000 individual, $3,000 couple. Waiting period, 5 months for pay, 24 months for Medicare. None once approved. So basically, SSDI is insurance you earn. SSI is help when you need it most. What if you qualify for both? Some folks actually qualify for both. If your SSDI check is small, let's say $700 a month, SSI can top it up to get you closer to the federal minimum. Here's Lisa's story. Lisa worked a few years as a school aide and earns a small SSDI check. It's not enough to live on. Because her income is low, she also qualifies for SSI, giving her both a modest monthly boost and automatic Medicaid coverage. That's called concurrent benefits. SSDI plus SSI equals double safety net. Here are some common myths. Here are a few myths people always mix up. SSI is for retired people. Nope, that's Social Security retirement. SSDI is free money. Not really. You paid for it through payroll taxes. If you get one, you can't get the other. Wrong again. You can if your SSDI check is small enough. And both programs have regular reviews to make sure you still meet the disability and income rules. So here's the bottom line. If you've worked and paid into the system, SSDI is your earned benefit. If you haven't worked much or your income is very limited, SSI is your safety net. And if life throws you a curveball, both can make sure you don't fall through the cracks. Freedom after 50. Making Sense of Medicare, SSDI and SSI. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this cleared things up and share it with someone who's stuck trying to figure out which one they qualify for. I'll see you next time. Same channel, less confusion.